Good morning. You're awake early today. Good morning. Yes, I woke up early because I want to make breakfast. That's nice. What are you planning to make? I'm thinking about making eggs, toast, and some tea. Maybe I can also cut some fruits. That sounds delicious. Do you need help? Maybe just a little. First, I will wash my hands. Good idea. Clean hands are very important in the kitchen. Washing hands. Okay, I'm ready. Where are the eggs? They are in the refrigerator, on the top shelf. I found them. I will take 2 eggs. Should I make fried eggs or scrambled eggs? Scrambled eggs would be nice today. Okay, I will take a bowl and crack the eggs carefully. Be careful not to drop any shell pieces inside. Don't worry. Oh, a little shell fell in. Use a spoon to remove it. Now I will add a little salt and pepper. That's perfect. Mix them well. Mixing eggs. The pan is ready. I will turn on the stove. Use medium heat, not too high. Okay. I'm adding a little butter to the pan. The butter is melting. Now pour the eggs slowly. It smells so good already. Stir gently so the eggs stay soft. The eggs are almost ready. I'll turn off the stove. Great job. Now what about the toast? I will put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. Do you want butter on your toast? Yes, and maybe some strawberry jam too. The toast just popped up. I will spread butter first because it melts on warm bread. Good thinking. Now I'll add some jam. It looks tasty. What about drinks? I will make tea. I'll boil some water. Don't forget to put the tea bag in the cup first. Right, the water is boiling now. I'll pour it carefully. Let the tea sit for a few minutes. While we wait, I'll cut some apples and bananas. That's a healthy breakfast. Everything is ready. Eggs, toast, fruit, and tea. It looks wonderful. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Let's sit down and eat together. Yes, breakfast tastes better when we eat together. I agree. Tomorrow, I'll try making pancakes. I can't wait.